All right, this is going to be a fast one, but detailed enough. So I'm just going to open up a letter. Um, I'll open up this one because it's a little bit harder. So the first thing I do is I like about a 4-inch ornament. So I'm going to select the ornament. I'm going to turn on my lock for my ratio, and I'm going to go 4 inches high. Boom. Next, I'm going to hold shift to make a circle. I'm going to go ahead and make that a filled circle. And I'm going to make it 0.5. Control C, Control V to make a second one. And that one I'm going to make 0.25. I'm going to stack them with my align tool. And then I'm going to Pathfinder minus front. I'm going to Control C, Control V, so I have 2 of them. I'm going to come over here and get it to intersect. We're kind of eyeballing that part. So let me zoom in a little bit. So certain letters you're going to need 2, certain letters you need 1. So you just kind of eyeball it. Now I'm going to select one of my circles I added, plus my letter. And I'm going to Pathfinder Unite. And I'm going to select this one and Unite. So now that's all one thing. And then we're going to go... Now you could, if you want, you can save this right now. And then that's always done for you. I'm going to use a font that I prefer for these. Clarendon I really like for these. The rest of this is kind of subjective. It's to what you like. So if I put this in the middle right now, or close to the middle, and I don't like that, I can come up here and add some distance between my letters and try to make it line up more with the edge. If it's not letting you get right where you want, if it wants to move too much, just come up here to to View and turn off Smart Guides. Then it's less likely to try to lock, and it lets you do it more freehand. So I'm gonna get it close for what I'm doing. I'm gonna come to the other side. And then I'm just going to make it match. I can stretch it a little bit manually. It's okay. Nobody's looking at them that close. So we're over there. We're over there. I'm going to select the 2. Well, actually, we're going to have to convert our text to outlines. And then I'm going to try to merge them and see if they were large enough to do that. If you merge or unite and you have a line, that means there's still a cut where that blue line is. So undo and just make it just tiniest bit taller. You can do that like that, or you can use the size under transform to do that. But now let's see. All right, no blue line, so this ornament is ready to go, and it should be about 4.25. 4.25. Hope that helps you.